Have you ever noticed the endless scrolling feature on ADP list? And did you know you can create it in Figma? Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mahsa, and in this video, we'll explore how to create an endless scrolling animation for UI designers. So, let's get started. Firstly, I downloaded a selection of logos. Then, I select all of them and create an auto layout. I change it to a horizontal layout and adjust the gap between items to 80 for better result and aligning them to the left. Now we need to add a frame where we can test the design. I choose the desktop size, which is 1440 to 1024. Next, let's take a screenshot of the ADP list homepage and import it into Figma. This helps us visualize the result better. I place the screenshot on the Figma and resize it to fit within the frame's dimensions. Oh, it's too large. Let's make it smaller. I double-click on one of the logos and press Command or Control A to select all the logos. I reduce the height size to 40. Now the size is much better. See? Okay, let's move it outside the frame. Now we need to select all of the logos again. Click on one of the logos and press Command and Control A on the keyboard. With all of them selected, let's duplicate them by pressing Command or Control C and then Command or Control V. Now we have two sets of logos together in one frame. Select them, right-click and choose Frame Selection. Set the width of the new frame to match the desktop one frame, which is 1440, and now if I activate the Clip Content checkbox, this happens. Only the items that fit in the frame are visible. Let's copy frame 2. Can do this by dragging it while holding the Alt or Option key, and now we need to align the second Spotify logo in frame 3 with the first Spotify logo in frame 2. Select frame 3, uncheck the Clip Content box so we can see all the logos. Click on the inner frame and push it to the left until the second Spotify logo aligns with the first Spotify logo on frame 2. Activate the Clip Content again and zoom in to ensure these two logos are aligned. We can use guides for help. Okay, we're almost done. Let me show you how it should look when you uncheck the Clip Content for both frames. It should be like this. Okay, now it's prototype time. Select both frames and from the Create Component list, select Create Component Set. Now we have a component with two variants. Select the first one and click on Prototype. Connect it to the second one. Change on-click to After Delay. Change 800 millisecond to 1 millisecond. Change Instance to Smart Animate. Change Ease Out to Linear. And change 300 millisecond to 10,000 millisecond. Now connect the second one to the first one and this time again change on-click to After Delay, change Smart Animate to Instance and change 800 millisecond to 1 millisecond. Okay, now everything is ready. Let's grab the screenshot to hide the image of the endless scroll bar and place our design on the frame from the assets. Line it to the center and play it. Here is our endless scrolling. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments. Don't forget to like the video if you find it helpful, and please subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more about Figma and UI design in the future.